Do you suffer from premature inflation? Do you fumble with tools that don't really work and inflate the things you need inflated? Are you using tools that are outdated or just don't work? What are you doing? Stay tuned for the best invention ever and stop fumbling with tools you don't need.
Today we're going to be taking a look at a product from a company called Lasfit, who are better known for their high quality LED light bulbs for cars. Lasfit was generous enough to send me one of their new cordless air compressors / tire inflators, a tool I recommend almost anybody with a car or family to have. There's a lot of features I want to cover on this product today, and we're also going to test it out on a basketball, on a bike, and on a car tire. And what makes this one so special compared to the other ones on the market? Well, let's dig in. So right off the bat, you can tell this is not just some cheap purchase from TEMU or Amazon. This is actually a really high quality product with really good packaging, and it comes in a really nice kit. There's quite a few items to unbox, so let's walk through these real quick. It comes with a really good user manual and also a little thank you card that shows you that you have a 2-year warranty. You also get a USB-C to A charging cable, and you also get 3 separate attachments to inflate different items. Although this unit is completely cordless, it does come with a lighter adapter power cable, just in case it does run out of juice and you need to charge it and use it. And it comes with 2 different inflation hoses. One's red, one's black, they do the same thing. The unit itself is made of really high quality materials, and it comes in a really nice flat black and red finish. Here you can see the USB A and C ports, along with the cable that you use to charge this unit and charge other items, because this does work like a battery pack. This is also where you would connect the lighter adapter. The manual is very detailed and shows you exactly how to use every feature. To attach the inflator hose, you simply just insert and twist, and it clicks into place. Turn the unit on by pressing the power button for about 3 seconds, and you'll be shown a lot of information, including battery level and PSI that the device is set at. You use the plus minus buttons to choose which PSI you want. Once you set the inflation to the desired PSI, this unit will automatically fill to that PSI and stop running. That's what makes this awesome and easy to use. The mode button cycles between different presets for bikes, for sports equipment, and then for cars as well. Now let's get this thing charged up and go test it out. All right, so we're gonna test this out using the ball needle. So right now it's not reading any PSI because this thing's almost flat. So I'll have it set to 8. Let's do 8.5. And it is hard. Let's see how it does on a old mountain bike. So I'm gonna fill it to 39. Right now it's reading it at 0. I'm actually gonna put it to 35. There you go. Super fast, even on a bike. Let's check out the accuracy to what the car reads versus what this device reads. It's reading at 36.5. I'm gonna set it to 38. So we're reading 38 here. It's reading at 37.5 here. You know what? For kicks, we'll do 38.39. We'll do 39. And now let's go for a drive and see. There you have it. We filled that side up to 38 and that side up to 39. So the accuracy is really good. So say you're out and about and this thing is dying and it doesn't have any battery left. Good news is this actually comes with a lighter adapter power cable that you can plug into your car, as long as you have a car with a power adapter, and you can just use it real time while it's plugged in with the lighter adapter. And then the additional features is the flashlight. So I'll show you the flashlight. You press that button right there. You can have it strobe, or you can just have it regular on. Another cool thing about this little compressor is that it also works as a battery pack. When you plug anything into the C, it actually uses it to power or charge this. But to give power to something else, you need to go from A to whatever it is. And as you can see, it immediately starts charging it. And now I have a portable battery pack as well.
So there's not a lot of accessories that I usually recommend that are not EV accessories. However, when Lasfit sent me this, it's something that I've kind of been itching to get because I've been using my Ryobi. I changed a lot of wheels, I changed a lot of tires. So with the Ryobi, I was able to do it, but it was just constantly sitting there and holding the little trigger. And then also the battery kept on dying on the Ryobi after a couple of tires. Between being a compressor where you actually just set the PSI and it just does all the work for you. It's also a flashlight, it's a battery pack, it comes in a really nice package. Build quality is awesome, and Lasfit also has really good customer service. And right now you can get 15% off using a mod 15, the code, or you can use the Amazon link below to buy it on Amazon. Either way, I think this is a great tool for any car enthusiast to have. So go get yours, and I hope you like it just as much as I do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.